Hello and welcome to my Silhouette Studio tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to add some nice curvature to your text. I did make a short on this that got quite a few views, but I did realize I left some important notes out, so I just decided to make a full tutorial. So to start with, say I have this text and I want to add some curves to it. What I want to do is go over here to my draw tool, and I'm going to pick my draw curve option, and then add a few points. Let's go there, there, and there. So you can see I have a nice curve. Then you want to grab your select tool, double click your text, and use this little icon here, the one that has the arrows pointing in each direction. Drag it down to your line and you'll see it snap to it. Now you can drag it along the line and it'll move. If you go too far, it'll start over at the beginning or it'll flip over upside down sometimes. It's hard to predict what it'll do, but it'll wrap around the line. And then say you get it where you want it. Make sure it's exactly what you want, because after this next step, you can no longer change the text or the font or the size or anything like that. So what you want to do, once you're ready, you will right-click your text, you will convert to path, and then you are free to select your line and delete it. And then you'll notice that your text will retain its curve, and that is locked in as you see it now. So let's say you want to wrap it around a shape like a heart. So the same thing, I made my heart shape. I will use my select tool, double click the text, use this little icon, and drag it down to here, right on the outside of the heart, please. There we go. And then you will see, if you drag it along the line, you'll see it will change its position. You find one that looks good, which right about there looks pretty good. So I'm happy with that. Same process again, right click, convert the text to path, and then I can delete my heart shape. And I have this really cool text effect. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new content. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.